A special feature of ZOOZ bikes is our robust axle, dropouts, and axle adjuster design. We also have a power cable connector positioned to be quickly disconnected for easy removal of the rear wheel. Undo the power cable connector. Remove the set screw and loosen the tension adjustment screw. Loosen and remove the axle nuts with a 21mm wrench and the axle adjusters with a 4mm hex and 8mm wrench for the tensioner. Pull the chain off the freewheel cog and slide the wheel out. To reassemble, you'll essentially do these steps in reverse. Slide the rear axle into the dropout and replace the chain and the axle adjusters. Thread the axle nuts and set screws all the way on, then loosen them just a touch so the axle adjuster can still slide. Use the tensioner and adjuster bolts to align the rear wheel. Check the gaps between the tire and the frame to make sure they're equal. The chain should have this much tension on it. Once aligned, then tighten the axle bolts to 60 Nm. Once the axle bolts are tightened, tighten the axle adjuster hardware to 8 Nm.